You're probably reading this on a device assembled by Foxconn. Foxconn is the world's largest electronics contract manufacturer, building products for Apple, Sony, Microsoft, and Amazon. Its factories produce hundreds of millions of devices each year, making it a critical link in the global supply chain. Without Foxconn, the launch of new tech could grind to a halt. The company employs over 1 million people, more than the population of some countries. Foxconn's efficiency has made technology more accessible and affordable worldwide. But this story is about more than a company. It's about globalization, labor, and the forces shaping our world. Foxconn's rise mirrors China's transformation into the world's factory. But it also exposes vulnerabilities in concentrating so much production in one place. Now, as global dynamics shift, Foxconn is being forced to adapt. Its decisions will reshape economies and the flow of technology for years to come. Understanding Foxconn is key to understanding the modern world. As we enter 2026, Foxconn stands at a crossroads, moving beyond its traditional base. This shift signals a much larger transformation in global manufacturing. Foxconn's factories are more like self-contained cities than buildings. In places like Shenzhen and Zhengzhou, iPhone City houses hundreds of thousands of workers. Dormitories, cafeterias, banks, and even hospitals are all on site. This setup keeps workers close to the production lines, maximizing efficiency. Life is highly structured. Workers live in crowded dorms and eat in vast canteens. The work is repetitive and intense, raising questions about the human cost of mass production. Foxconn offers amenities like sports courts and internet cafes, but critics say this isolates workers and blurs the line between work and life. The factory city model lets Foxconn ramp up production instantly, meeting the demands of tech giants. This logistical marvel is the cornerstone of Foxconn's success. It's what made the company indispensable to the world's biggest tech brands. Foxconn's story starts in Taiwan, 1974, when Terry Gou founded Hanhai Precision Industry. Gou began with a small loan, making plastic TV parts, but his vision was global. The turning point came in the late 1980s as China opened its economy. In 1988, Gou opened a factory in Shenzhen, slashing costs and outpacing competitors. The Chinese government supported Foxconn with land, tax breaks, and help recruiting workers. This partnership fueled Foxconn's explosive growth and China's rise as a manufacturing powerhouse. By the early 2000s, Foxconn was assembling computers, phones, and consoles for the world's top brands. Its reputation for speed and reliability made it the king of electronics manufacturing. Foxconn's move to China was a gamble that paid off spectacularly. The company's scale and efficiency became unmatched. Terry Gou's vision transformed a small Taiwanese firm into a global giant. Foxconn's rise is inseparable from China's economic miracle. Foxconn's partnership with Apple changed everything. In the early 2000s, Apple needed a manufacturer that could deliver millions of high-quality devices fast. Steve Jobs found that partner in Foxconn. The collaboration began with the iPod and exploded with the iPhone in 2007. Foxconn dedicated entire factories to Apple, assembling devices at unprecedented scale. This partnership made both companies incredibly powerful. Apple became the world's most valuable company, and Foxconn its manufacturing backbone. At one point, Apple accounted for half of Foxconn's revenue. The relationship was a golden goose, but also a risk. Foxconn's fortunes rose and fell with Apple's. Other tech giants took notice, turning to Foxconn for their own flagship products. Foxconn's ability to deliver for Apple gave it unmatched credibility. The company became the go-to manufacturer for high-quality electronics. This dominance cemented Foxconn at the center of the global tech ecosystem. Its role, though often invisible, defined an era of technology. For years, Foxconn's China-centric strategy was its greatest strength. But by the late 2010s, cracks began to show. The US-China trade war brought tariffs and uncertainty, forcing Foxconn and its clients to rethink their reliance on China. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of this system. Lockdowns in China halted production, disrupting global supply chains. Companies like Apple realized the danger of having all their manufacturing in one place. Rising labor costs and shrinking labor pools in China added to the pressure. Geopolitical tensions made the business environment volatile. For Foxconn, the risks were becoming too big to ignore. The situation peaked in 2022, when a COVID outbreak at Foxconn's Zhengzhou factory led to lockdowns and protests, delaying iPhone production. The world saw how a single event in one factory could ripple across the tech industry. For Foxconn and its clients, the message was clear: diversify or face disaster. The era of made in China dominance was ending. Foxconn needed a new plan. To reduce its China risk, Foxconn turned to India. India's massive youthful workforce and government incentives made it the top candidate. The Make in India initiative offered subsidies and tax breaks, making the move financially attractive. India's growing domestic market was another draw. Foxconn could sell locally and export globally. This China Plus One strategy aimed to build a second major production hub, not replace China entirely. Apple pushed for the shift, wanting a more resilient supply chain. Foxconn began assembling iPhones in Tamil Nadu, with plans for multi-billion-dollar investments. The company is building a complete ecosystem in India, from electronics to electric vehicles and semiconductors. Foxconn envisions factory cities in India to rival those in China. If successful, this move could transform India into a new manufacturing powerhouse. The stakes couldn't be higher for Foxconn or for global tech. Foxconn's pivot to India marks a new era in global manufacturing. For decades, the formula was simple: designed in the West, made in China. Now, the world is moving toward a more fragmented, regional, and resilient system. Replicating China's manufacturing ecosystem in India is a monumental challenge. India's labor culture, regulations, and infrastructure are different, and progress is slower. Foxconn faces hurdles with land, bureaucracy, and workforce training. The shift will take years, but the impact could be transformative. For India, Foxconn's investment could create millions of jobs and spark economic growth, but it also raises questions about labor standards and environmental impact. The world is moving from a single manufacturing hub to a multipolar system. This shift will reshape trade, alliances, and the way technology is made. As Foxconn builds its new empire, we're witnessing the redrawing of the world's economic map.